So, what is it?
It's only
FBV Friday. So in this video I thought we'd talk about the speculation that's going around at the moment, the Avata 3. Now this is my Avata 2. We all know that the Avata 360 is coming out. When it's coming out, I don't know. DJI's been very crafty. It's been passed through America, so that's one good thing. Will you be able to get it, guys? I don't know. They did say, because when they brought out the anti-gravity AI drone, I think it's the beginning of December, wasn't it? DJI did say that theirs would come out just before Christmas. And I made a video on that, didn't I? Anyway, they haven't brought it out. We're in the first week of January. Now, usually we get wind of it like a week before. It sounds like Ken Aaron dropped a, I don't know, maybe he did it on purpose. It sounds like he's already got that drone. He's testing it out. And he sort of let slip it's far better than the anti-gravity AI drone. Still no dates given yet. I've just been seeing some videos recently and it's been saying about the Avata 3. I'll just put up this picture now. Now, how old that picture is, I don't know, but it sounds like it's obviously a prototype. All this, oh, it's ready, I don't know. DJI very cagey when they do these things. Now, I did a survey back in December asking people, would you be interested in buying the anti-gravity AI drone? And I got 7%. I asked about the DJI Avata 360. I got 36%. But when I asked about you could buy any of them, none, I got 58%. So there's not a big interest. And I think probably DJI know that. If they bring out this 360, it's only made for certain people. It's definitely not made for me, guys. And I made it quite clear that even though some people say, oh, Shaun, you're still going to buy it. I'm not going to buy it. It's not for me. It is for certain people that want to make that creative video footage. But to me, I just want to fly the drone. I don't want to spend 10 hours behind the computer trying to edit all that stuff. But the Avata 3, I'm interested and I would buy that. There hasn't been any word about would there be a new set of goggles, obviously a new hand controller, nothing like that. So we're probably talking, if it does happen this year, we're probably, hopefully, Easter time. So remember that. Anyway, if you didn't notice, I'm wearing the wrong goggles. Have you noticed? Anyway, it'd be great to hear your thoughts, guys, what you think. Would you really be interested in the Avata 3, or are you quite happy? I know some of my friends still got the Avata. They still love that drone. I love this drone, the Avata 2. As always, it's always going to be about improvements and a better camera, maybe some sensors, something like that. Battery longer. It'd be nice if it could be more stable in the wind a little bit. That'd be fantastic. But anyway, yeah, great to hear from you. If you let me know what your thoughts are. What I'm going to do now, because it's only a short video, I went out the other day with some of my friends. We had a bit of a laugh. An old abandoned building. Enjoy the video. And I'll finish it here by saying there's going to be another video coming right sooner.